crispy okra stir fry or okra chickpea stir fry or Kurkure Bhindi, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the okra recipes and one of the most unique of the okra stir fry recipes and one of the most different of the stir fry casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the casserole recipes and one of the most different of the chickpea recipes. Make crispy okra stir fry or okra chickpea flour stir fry. We have taken around 250 grams of okra, cut longitudinally after clearing out the seeds and the rest of the pieces in the okra. Today, the next ingredients are around 3 spoons of chickpea flour, quarter spoon of turmeric, salt to taste, spice mixture 1 spoon, 1.5 spoons of chili powder, and 1 spoon of caraway seeds or ajwain. All this together. Put in the okra pieces into the mixture. Coat the okra pieces with the mixture. Nicely coat. Put in around 60 to 70 ml of oil. Let it get heated. Now put in okra piece. Into the oil. Let it fry. Let it fry thoroughly. slowly take off the pan and onto the plate. Put in the new next set and fry the rest of the pieces until all the okra pieces are nicely fried. Now put in the two or three chilies into the oil and let it fry. Put the chilies onto the okra stir fry as toppings. This is the final crispy okra stir fry or okra chickpea coated stir fry or okra stir fry casserole. One of the tastiest of the okra recipes and one of the most unique of the okra stir fry recipes and one of the most different of the okra fried recipes and one of the most delicious of the okra fry casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.